write your name in your handwriting Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend, this viral sticker right here, so keep on watching. So from your Instagram page you just have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT, and then from this page you have to click at viral now from highlights. And here you will only find viral stickers. So click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it, write your name in your handwriting. From here you just have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on this button you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, which I put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on this add yours button. So from here you just have to go to your uploads, or you can just take a photo right now. But I will go to uploads, click on the left bottom corner and choose a background photo. So I will go ahead and choose this photo. This is just an example for you guys. You can make your sticker bigger or smaller, and from here you have to click on the icon, on this icon next to the text and between the text and the sticker. And from here you can choose your color, black, blue, green, red, purple. So I will go with purple for this video. And from here you can also choose what type you want your writing to be. I will go with this one. So I will write my name right here. And you have to do the same thing. Once you are happy with it, you can click on the check mark from the right top corner and then click on share to, and then click to your story and then hit on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you want to add more viral stickers and stories to your Instagram stories, then you can go ahead and check my account right here and my YouTube channel. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. You can subscribe to our channel, and if you have some questions you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.